Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different but super intense. We have a high intensity interval training dance workout to a 10-minute K-pop mashup. So what this means is there will be 4 different high intensity dance moves throughout the whole workout, repeated 3 times for a total set of 12 different moves. Between all of these moves, you'll have step touch variations, so your heart rate will stay up and you'll be active the entire time. Alright, and this whole workout, like I said, is 10 minutes long. You can expect to burn about 100 calories if you do it 100%. Let's get started. Alright guys, first up we got about a minute of warm-up to get us started.
I'm the mafia.
친구들은 멋진 시간들로 놀러 다녀 너는 눈을 돌려 오보기가 싫어 네가 제일 좋아하는 가게에서 시간에 링크 걸어 클릭해 카피해서 페이스밴 다 똑같은 클루 안에서 눈치 보는 세이지 다 그래 오늘 사르르 판한 반도를 바꿔 We never run the game 난 숨겨보게 No cap 너 때문에 온몸이 다 올라 너 때문에 심장이 목말라 Like a fever 널 갖고 싶어
Alright guys, get ready for the HIIT dance! Keep an eye out on the upper left hand corner for the next move and your rest breaks.
This is a remix! Here we go!
Awesome job, guys. We are halfway done. Keep up the energy. Go 100%. Alright guys, final stretch. We are gonna do moves at 3 and 4 all together, no break. Let's go. Awesome job, guys. The workout complete. Do you feel the burn? Because I certainly do. I think I'm turning really red over here. But if you like this style of workout and want me to make more of these HIIT style dance workouts, please do leave me a comment down below. Give me your feedback. I would love to hear what you think. I had a lot of fun making this style of dance workout and would love to make more for you guys in the future. Alright guys, thank you so much for working so hard with me today, and I will see you guys next time.